Quesadilla with salami, tortilla, cheese, salami, the cheese, cheddar cheese. This is now ready. There you go. Cut this side like this and put cheddar cheese. Another cheddar cheese. We have our nuggets. We have our lettuce here. Last one is this cheese. We have to fold this carefully. Put it here. Put the cheese. This is already cooked. Saute. This is very simple. Now let's put the spinach. Top again with cheese. And lastly this one. And let's fold and toast side by side. Let's make another one and the same process. This one, fold. This is done. Let's try. Very crispy. Yummy. Another delicious breakfast for the day. We have bacon and the cheddar cheese. We have the egg here and the mixed salad, green salad. Let's fold like that. This one also carefully, and last, it's up to you how to fold it. Just toast side by side. It's ready. Ta-da! Look at that. This is good for breakfast and lunch. Let's eat. Another tortilla recipe. The cheese, the ham. I don't have any lettuce, but you can use this cabbage, bell pepper, another slice of ham. It's the cheese. Like this, fold. And then warm it here. Then toast the other side. It's crispier. This is done, and thank you for watching.